So these are some of the programs which SU College do. So we are very strong in our natural environment and outdoor studies because we are very near to the biggest freshwater lakes of the world, which is Lake Superior. So this is a 2+2 partnership programs with an Algoma University. If you want to complete up your degrees, that is the thing. But if you don't want to complete up your degree, just go with the 2 years of diploma. All the programs are there with a co-op. It's a co-op with some of the government companies or like places, and it's a 400 hour of co-op, which is mostly there in your final semester. 17,888 is averagely is the fees for that, and most of the students from BSc background also take up this program. BSc Botany, Zoology are very fit for the programs like Fisheries and Wildlife, Natural Environment Technician, Conservation. The area where SU College is very strong in health sciences, we have a program in fitness and health promotion, OTA, PTA. It's all our 2 year program and very demanding program in the field of physiotherapy. Students from bachelor in physiotherapy also take up this program. But after doing this program, make sure that you're not entitled for your own practice. You have to work under some of the government registered doctors or the company as an assistant. You are not entitled directly as to start your own clinic. The only practical nursing, the only program which requires an higher IELTS is 6.5. Apart from the practical nursing, no other program we require an 6.5. And pre-health sciences program, pathways to advanced diplomas program, very innovative and very nice program. I can tell you about the program. Some of the students don't have a mathematics and they want to go with a practical nursing program. So this is the program for the students from physics, chemistry and biology background. The students can take up this program, and after doing a 1 year program, they are directly transferred to a practical nursing program, because practical nursing is the only program where we require physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Okay. Now we are going to the engineering section, which we are very strong, especially in mechanical engineering, manufacturing, because of the steel plants, offices, and many of the factories related with iron ore factory and electrical engineering programs. It's a 2 years of diploma program. We have a process automation and trades. Then there is motive power technician. It's an advanced repair program. It was earlier a 3 years of program, which we have squeezed down to a 2 years, which is on an advanced level. Students who are interested in automobile designing and repairs, they can take up this program. Information technology, a 2 years of computer program. It's on the lines of engineering. The students from PCM background is only entitled to take up this program. A very good and innovative program and demanding because of the IT sector. Justice studies, protection, security, and investigation. Any of the students who want to make their career in the legal field in the future, they can take up this 2 years of diploma program. And after this 2 years of diploma program, they can complete up their degree as an, and we have articulation with University of Toronto, University of Manitoba, where they want to complete up their degree. They are directly transferred to the current years, and any of the specialization there where they can take criminology or any of the investigation fields. School of Business, where we have an articulation with Algoma University for 2+2 pathways program. A student can take a 2 years of business program from a commerce background. Business accounting is the only program for a students who is having a good in accounts. If you are good in numbers, surely you take up this program. Now here we have mentioned about the grade 11th mathematics. Don't go by this notion. This is for the grade 10th. This is for the Canadian students we have marked up here. Sorry for that. So if you have a grade 10 maths above 50, you are entitled to take up this program. Wherever grade 11th is showing up, it's grade 10th for Indians. Okay, just make sure. Community services program, a generic program, 3 years of program like in child and youth care, early childhood education, social service worker, very demanding programs. We had tied up with one of the community centers, that is an FJ Davis. It will come in the next slide. I will show you about that. Then there is a media programs, digital film production, graphic designing, gaming art. We don't require portfolios. Nothing to worry about that. Any of the students from the designing or the media industry, they can apply for this programs. Culinary management, we are very strong in that. We have our in-house restaurant, which is one of the biggest restaurant in Sault Ste. Marie. The restaurant name is Willow. Students get hands-on experience because it is a co-op program with 640 hours, where you can see C is a co-op, 640 is that in the final semester. Very nice and demanding program. Tourism is a very big industry in Canada. Now these are some of the PG program, post-graduation baccalaureate programs, which were very strong, like Geographical Information System, a good program for IT related field people, for CS, Electronics and Communication. Global Business Management, a generic program, anybody can take up a generic program. Global Business Management available in all the three intakes as well as on all the three campuses. Healthcare Administration and Health Informatics, a good program for a student from a medical background, especially from MBBS, BPT, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, they can take up this program. Hospitality and Tourism Management, a good program for people of hospitality sector. Mobile application design, a good program from the IT sector. Students, CS, IT, telecommunication can take up this program. Natural environment law. This is the only program students who are looking for in the law, given to the students who have done their bachelor's in law, BA LLB or BCom LLB, they can take up this program. We have a 1 year program in the law. Network architecture and security analysis, a program good for the IT sector people, CS, IT, computers, electronics, communication, Triple E, EC can take up this program. Project management, one of the most demanding program in Canada. And students from mechanical and civil background are the best fit for that. Apart from any of the other people can also take up this program, nothing to worry. If you are having an engineering background, you can take up this program. Even a BSc student can take up this program. Public relation and event management, the only program for a student from a bachelor in arts background. This is one of the most demanding program which will lead your career in the corporate world. And this program comes with a paid co-op of 140 hours. Robotics and advanced automation, a very demanding program, very less seats because the labs are designed by Honda and ABP. It is one of the most advanced lab in Canada. And the program duration is 1 year, and we are giving this program only to the students from mechanical, mechatronics, as well as computer science. Supply chain management, one of the most demanding program in Canada because of the geographical conditions of Canada. So many of the students take a combined program, project management and supply chain management. Both of them are very demanding program. As a 1 year program, students from commerce background as well as from mechanical and civil background takes up this program. Genetology, a new program which we have started up, good program for the medical field people. They can take up this program. So we have recently coming up with a new programs in aviation and pilot training for the students. So earlier it was only restricted towards the domestic student. Now we are planning for the international students also. Whenever we have a confirmation of that, we will send the information to the GV people, get in touch with them. Then digital film and video gaming, cyber security, mobile application, automotive manufacturing. These are some of the very demanding and innovative programs because I have shown in another slide because we have a very less seats in these programs. So if you're looking in these areas, please apply fast and early. So this is a comparative chart where we have shown how you will be able to get a job in the community. The college will help as a job center, which will help you in building up your resume, your cover letters, job search, because you never know where you have to find a job according to your skill set. Then there are workshops happening. We will send you that workshop to brush up your skills. Then there are mock interviews, which we given to you, and which will help to find you a job. Then there are job fairs. Sault College is the only college I can say in the Northern Ontario which organizes a job fair every year in the month of February, where we call all the companies. We invite all other colleges also, their students also come, and we will ask the students to go with your resumes, and according to your skill set, if there is any job available with the market, they will surely hire you. So understand the concept with the Canada concept and Indian concept. In India, what happens? We call the companies, we write the exam, and the companies take us. So that's the placement scenario within India. But in Canada, they will make you so much fit for a job. So their idea is we are giving you an education, we are brushing up your skills. That moment you are going to a company, you're according to your skill set, they will hire you.